Major flooding has hit the southeastern region of France after days of heavy rain. Flash floods have caused extensive damage and power outages. A red flood alert has been issued for 6 departments south of the city of Lyon. In some places in the Ardèche region, up to 700 mm of rain fell in 48 hours. That's more than Paris gets in a year, so it's absolutely gigantic. Torrents of water flooded the streets, washing away cars and road signs. The famous film festival city of Cannes was also hit by flooding again. Water flooded into residential buildings and shops located on the ground floor.
Bah ouais,
Rivers located in the cities literally burst their banks. Rescuers sailed along the streets in boats, coming to the aid of residents. The depth of the floods in the lowlands reached a couple of meters. Locals were forced to move through flooded streets. Everything literally stopped due to such severe flooding. Even rescue helicopters were deployed in remote areas.
Il y a les sirènes et tout.
It was Storm Kirk that brought unprecedented amounts of rainfall across France. Last month, Central Europe suffered the worst flooding in the region in at least 2 decades. The country is struggling with the aftermath, but heavy rains are still continuing. Experts warn that such events are expected to become more frequent. And climate change will bring more unpredictable weather patterns. Major flooding has hit the southeastern region of France after days of heavy rain.